Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can apply the overlay in Photoshop. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Photoshop app. So let's open this. We have to wait for a few seconds. Let's click on the no, and after that we have to choose the image, that which image you want to use. For example, I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, what we have to do, we have to scroll this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the picture is open. Now simply we have to scroll this, and after scrolling this, as you can see, has the option for the overlay. So we have to click on the overlay, and after clicking on the overlay, as you can see, different type of overlays will be provided here, like the bokeh and light dust, nature, grunge. For example, I'm going to click on the nature. In the nature section, you will be able to see this type of overlays. You have to choose that which one you want to apply. Like this is the overlay, and this is the overlay, this is the overlay. All the overlays are divided into groups. So if you are going to the overlay section again, for example, I'm going to back to the light and dark. So let's click on this, and you will be able to see in the light section, you will be able to see different type of overlays like this. So in this way you can apply the overlays on your picture in Photoshop app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can apply the overlays in the picture in Photoshop app. It's very easy to understand, it's very easy to use as well. So see you guys in the next video.